Hello, Secrets of Wisdom. Today we are delving into the transformative insights of the Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Get ready to unlock the secrets within you and tap into the incredible potential of your subconscious mind. Lesson 1: Understanding the subconscious mind. Let's start with the basic. Visualize your mind as an iceberg, the conscious mind above the surface and the powerful subconscious below. Dr. Murphy teaches us to understand and harness the tremendous influence of the subconscious. Lesson 2: The power of belief. Belief is the linchpin of the subconscious. Explore how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Dr. Murphy emphasizes the need to align our conscious and subconscious belief for profound transformations. Lesson 3: Affirmations and Visualization. Enter the realm of affirmation and visualization. See your goals, feel them, believe in them. Dr. Murphy guides us through the art of programming our subconscious mind with positive thoughts and images. Lesson 4: The mind-body connection. Discover the mind-body connection. Dr. Murphy explores how thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical well-being. Learn to use the power of your mind to promote health and healing. Lesson 5: Overcoming limiting beliefs. Time to break free. Explore how to identify and overcome limiting beliefs that holds you back. Dr. Murphy empowers us to reshape our inner narrative and manifest a life of abundance and success. Lesson 6: The Law of Attraction. Dive into the law of attraction. Dr. Murphy explains how your thoughts attract corresponding experiences. Understand the role of your subconscious in creating the reality you desire. Lesson 7: Programming for Success. Program your mind for success, whether it's your career, is your relationship, or personal growth. Dr. Murphy guides us in setting and achieving goals by tapping into the reservoir of the subconscious mind. Lesson number 8: Real life transformations. Embark on a journey of real life transformations. Hear inspiring stories of individuals who have applied this principle from the power of your subconscious mind and witnessed profound changes. There you have it, a glimpse into the empowering world of the power of your subconscious mind. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool waiting to be harnessed. Dive into the book for a deeper exploration. Until next time, embrace the power within you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think about this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and how you use it in your daily life. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Signing off, Maheshwari.